Hi, today we're going to have a look around this 2016 two-owner Axopar 37 Model R. This is the previous model to the current Brabus line trim package, so she's a very high spec with lots of additional extras and lots of detail. She's a 37 cabin model with a basic windscreen and the optional day cruiser aft cabin you can see there on the stern. This particular boat is powered by a pair of Mercury Verado 350 outboards, which is the largest rated for this hull. Top speed approaching 50 knots. This particular boat is in a grey gel coat throughout. So you'll see down here on the hull, heavy duty grey rubber rubbing band and a really eye-catching colour scheme. So as a Model R we have black painted rails all the way around the side decks. Very safe and secure all the way. The optional targa roof with the roof rails and the centre radar chair there, which houses a remote control spotlight and a HD Garmin radar dome. Painted black VHF aerial. It's a very, very eye-catching boat. As you come up forward, take a look at the signature Axopar hull design. Very, very sharp point of entry on the front here. With a twin step hull, so very soft riding weathers. So these are great boats. Axopar built nearly 2,400 boats since they first started production of the 24, 28, 37 models. It's currently the largest model they make. Hugely popular, both here in Northern Europe and down in the Med. So looking around the side deck, we've got these optional blue LED mood lights. Black water tank fitting. Foredeck access hatch here if you've got paddle boards and water sport equipment you want to keep down in the cabin. Up forward, there's a good sized boat locker to store your anchor and fenders, etc. A storage locker under the foredeck. She's got a Fusion AV system throughout, so you see speakers up forward here. And then moving aft, there's an additional amplifier, subwoofer, further speakers, etc. Pull up whale shower handset. Handy aft storage lockers, emergency bilge pump. Synthetic teak decking here on the aft platform, just for a little bit more detailing. You could of course retrofit that on the side decks if you so wish. She's running 4-blade stainless steel propellers, so obviously very clean. These were serviced towards the end of last season, so she really is very much turnkey, ready to go. The owners have had several boats from us over the last few years, larger and smaller, and just now ready to go back into a larger boat, so she's very much for sale. Current asking price is £169,950 tax paid, and there's a deal to be done for somebody looking to get on the water in the near future. So we have a look inside now. See, as a Model R here, we've got embossed steering wheel. There's a large screen Garmin GPS and a fist mic for the VHF, DSC. So Mercury's fly-by-wire electronic throttles, digital shift. So very easy one finger in and out of gear. Nice LED switches. The vessel view that gives information on the engines. She's about 128 running hours to date. Still in regular use by the owners, so will increase slightly. See a bow thruster control there, joystick for the trim tabs, remote control for the Fusion. It's a grey gel coat theme here inside, again with LED lights in the roof. And then this Nerox upholstery, so this is an Alcantara type suede fabric. with a contrast white stitch, very luxurious looking. The helm and co-pilot seats here spin round 180 degrees to give you social seating around the table. So just got the table open, see a very good area for dining. In terms of visibility, these are really unrivaled in this sector. You see how much glass we have all the way around the boat. Absolutely awesome. Can you imagine even on a rough day with all the doors shut, still great viz, easy to spot lobster pots and what have you when you're running at speed. So going down forward, so you've got snap-in carpets, so very easy maintenance. So it's a very clean boat, very little fade on the wood. It's a satin walnut finish. Here on the port side we've got a single burner electric hob, and there's also a sink. You can see the owner's attention to detail, running a dehumidifier and tube heaters to keep the winter weather out. Then we've got a good sized double bed up forward, and here's an example of what the outside cushions are. So this is a Silvertex Premium, which is a vinyl with a diamante stitch. So again, it's the top spec. Circuit breaker panel down here on the starboard side. An electric flush. Automatic toilet. We've got a little wardrobe here. And then a nice system for the Northern Europe here is the Webasto diesel heating. So we've got outlets throughout all the cabins. Very practical year round. Charging sockets. See more heating vents here. Handy Waco fridge. Lots of storage. And then there's the aft cabin version. Couple of cushions to take out here. So looking down aft, you can see she's got the optional aft cabin with a double bed. Cushions out for winter storage at the moment. Just put one in to give an example of the fabric finish. It's a great size once you're in there. It's a handy step down in the middle, and it's a good 6'6" long. And there are window blinds up on both sides of the cabin, and a central access. Again, for water sports equipment from the outside if you want to use it as a day boat. To say, considering she's 2016, 4 seasons old, very clean boat. Retail price to replace this today would be around £235,000, making her extremely good value on the used market. She's lying at the bottom of the Hamble River in the UK, available to view 7 days a week, listed for sale with us. The Central Agents Sunseeker Southampton, based at Swanwick Marina. We can do viewing 7 days a week. We have a full library of photos, a video tour. So if you require any further information, my name is James Lumley. My phone number is 07747 686 587, or it's James at sunseekersouthampton.com for any further info. Thank you.